Hi, I'm Tom Hickson, General Manager with the SMH Group. I'm standing in front of the Mantsinen 60, which is the smallest unit that Mantsinen makes. They go from 148,000 pounds up to 880,000 pounds. This is a 60 with a 2.5-yard clamshell bucket. There's some features on here that are standard and some that are optional. We'll touch base on them real fast. This is a mechanical disconnect. It hinges up. Got quick disconnect plugs we'll show you in a minute on the side. You can take this bucket off in less than 5 minutes. Mantsinen also offers a hydraulic disconnect that's ran from the cab. The operator never has to get out. So this is your hinged quick disconnect. Like I said, about 5 minutes. You've got quick disconnect plugs up here on the side of the stick. The stick has a cast end on each end, as does the boom. The stick is a very unique design. Works rather well for Mantsinen. It is a inverse box, is what I call it. You can see from the sides you've got a U-shaped box with your lines running in them. The top and the bottom go the other direction. That forms a box channel in the middle as well. This is a solid stick. These machines are made to run 2 million cycles. Mantsinen has a very robust and sturdy outrigger system. These are the standard pads. These pads also can be made quite larger. If you have ground conditions that are different, they will run all at once, or there is independent outrigger control in the cab. It's a stainless steel cab, as Mantsinen does a lot of port applications where you have salt water and other corrosive things. It is a cab and a half wide, so it's much larger, much more visibility than anything out there. The front glass is impact resistant. We also have our front guard. We have a very sturdy and robust galvanized cab platform and catwalks with handrails and gates. Welcome to the largest cab in the industry. As I said, it's stainless steel, impact resistant glass with a front guard, your safety lever. One of the neat things about this machine, it has an operator's trainer fold down seat with the seat belt back here. So we can put a second guy in here. We can have the trainer start here and the guy observing, and then switch spots, put the trainer here and the guy operating. This machine has a number of features that are very operator friendly, from the screens on the windows to the extra room in the front. You have no steering wheel. Your standard joysticks. This machine is magnet ready, so we have magnet lift and drop. We have a camera system on the machine. As you can see, there's a stick camera. It's also a rear camera. This is your primary control panel. It's controlled from down here. We have all our engine codes. Everything else is through here. All the information about the machine. This screen is a load control system. It will give you your type of attachment. It will give you the distance the pin is from the center of the machine. Will give you the distance the pin is from the height of the ground. If you exceed the load chart of the machine will stop. This screen will tell you you've done that. It will also tell you, hey, you can go back, or if you can go left or right. It will give you the allowable movements if you get outside the chart. This machine also has telematics. The factory can dial into the machine, change some settings for you. As the distributor, we can also do that. In a situation where you have something come up, we can actually dial in and remotely change some of these settings for you. Seat belt is a shoulder belt as well as a waist belt. It's very rare in material handlers. We have our fuse box back here, cleanly labeled, easily accessible. Radio, air conditioning, heat up here. Have a nice little flex light for the operator. You have plenty of storage for manuals. There's actually a first aid kit that comes with the machine in a bin. This unit also has the optional engine and hydraulic oil heaters for colder climates. You plug in here. Breakers are here to turn on the various heaters. Very cleanly labeled up here. Easy to get to, simple to figure out. Our engine access is through a door. So we don't have to climb on the upper. There are no safety rails up here because we're actually walking into a compartment. Your battery disconnect and your central lube for your oil and your batteries are all in this compartment. Okay, entering the engine compartment area, you have your electrical boxes. There's an emergency stop in the cab. There's another one here. So you can see all your electrical runs as well as all your hydraulic are cleanly labeled from the factory to show what is what. You have two separate radiators, one for hydraulic oil. You have your engine radiator. Both of them have reversible fans that are programmed. Both of them have very easy to pull up screens for cleaning. Cast base, cast tip for our boom and our stick. We have attachment filters for the hydraulic circuit for the attachment. If you have a failure in the attachment and you get some trash coming back through the circuit, these are going to catch it. Again, very cleanly labeled. Valve banks very easy to access. This is a machine there again that's made to run 2 million cycles, so it's made to be easy to work on and safe.